Hi students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to discuss the second lesson from the fourth unit, Flights of Fancy. It's a poem titled as Poetry, written by Pablo Neruda. Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basalto, who is popularly known by his pen name Pablo Neruda, was a Chilean poet, diplomat and politician. He wrote in a variety and his works include surrealist poems, historical epics, political manifestos, and a prose autobiography. He often wrote in a green ink, which was his personal symbol for desire and hope. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. Pablo Neruda's poem Poetry talks about creative imagination and the art of writing poetry. This poem is a celebration of his poetic ecstasy that experienced then he was embraced by the poetic creativity. There are three phases of the poet's experience depicted in this poem. Before the arrival of poetry, when it arrived and left him, and after he composed his first feeble lines. The poet says that poetry arrived in search of him and touched him. He does not know where it came from, when and how. He was a man without name and fame before the arrival of poetry. When it touched him, he felt something started in his soul. He cannot name it exactly what it is. It is something like fever or nameless emotion. Deciphering that poetic passion or fire, he wrote his first lines. The lines seemed the faint and substanceless, pure nonsense or pure wisdom of an inexperienced person. Anyhow, when he composed his lines, some new world of heaven opened in front of him. He could see different things in the universe, from planets to palpitating plantations. Shadows get perforated, fire, flowers. Winting night and the universe seems to show up before him. He seems to be surrounded by a range of new experiences. He was in success of everything from starry skies to fathomless abyss. He could travel with stars and his heart became free from all confinements, as free as the wind. This poem is in free verse style. Neruda's poetry really takes us to the realm of poetic inspiration and imagination. Let's recite the poem Poetry by Pablo Neruda. And it was at that age poetry arrived in search of me. I don't know where it came from winter or a river. I don't know how or when. No, they were not voices, they were not words nor silence. But from a street I was summoned, from the branches of night, abruptly from the others, among violent fires or returning alone. There I was without a face, and it touched me. I did not know what to say. My mouth had no way with names. My eyes were blind, and something started in my soul. Fever of forgotten wings, and I made my own way, deciphering that fire, and I wrote the first faint line. Faint, without substance, pure nonsense. Pure wisdom of someone who knows nothing. And suddenly I saw the heavens, unfastened and open. Planets, palpitating plantations, shadow perforated, riddled with arrows, fire and flowers, the winting night, the universe. And I, infinitesimal being, drunk with the great starry void, likeness, image of mystery, felt myself a pure part of the abyss. I wheeled with the stars. My heart broke loose on the wind. So students, we'll discuss the line by line explanation in the next class. Read the textbook well. Thank you.